What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As y'all can tell by the title, got something very special today. Today we're going to be plugging this in right here, and we're going to be flashing the car and put it on max burbles. Right now I have it at medium, and I think it only lasts for like a second, and I think it can go at max at like 5 seconds. So we're about to make it as loud and as obnoxious as possible. So let's get right into it, and I'm about to flash the car now. All right, as y'all can see here, I have the duration on 1 second and the aggressiveness on medium, and the minimum that it'll pop at is 3,000 and max 5,000. But we about to change all that, so let's go ahead and bring it up. Bring that up. All right. The aggressiveness, we're gonna put that at hard, like me. Pause. And minimum, we'll do 2,000. And everything else is gonna remain the same. So yeah, let's flash the car. As y'all see, the car is having an aneurysm. It's flashing. This is always so scary to me because it does all this stuff. But yeah, it's okay. Alright guys, so we just flashed the car. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. And I'm low-key nervous / excited. I'm just really curious on how this is about to sound. Alright. Let's get out of here. Chad, I'm nervous. And I put it on 2,000, the minimum burble on 2,000, so I don't want to hear it just yet. In a parking lot. Holy shiznit, buddy. I would have been in the new Info CSL if he would have hit me, boy. He was coming in hot. You got enough room, baby. All right, moment of truth. Oh, it didn't do it. That's long as fuck. It's not as loud as I thought. But it's like forcing, that can't be good for the car. It's forcing burbles out at those low RPMs. And it's long as hell. It actually sound like shit, I ain't gonna lie. That's long. Good thing we are replacing our spark plugs this weekend. Y'all hear that, bro? Well, I know you hear it, but like, do you hear it? Y'all hearing what I'm hearing? Like, that actually does not sound good at all. Yeah, anybody out there with the MHD tune and y'all rocking y'all's max burbles on max duration? I think it was like, what, 5 seconds? Can't remember. But yeah, if y'all doing that, y'all are crazy. It's not me. Let's hear it again. It definitely is louder. If y'all don't know what to compare it to, go watch any of my other videos and you'll hear how long it pops. I had it on 1 second, I think, and this is 5, and it's like a major difference. What the fuck? Sounds like a machine gun. Okay, it definitely is louder. What the fuck, y'all? That is actually crazy. 5 in the car, by the way. That's fucking crazy. Definitely gonna piss some people off, because I didn't think it was that loud at first, but once you get in a quiet place, it's loud. Disturbing the peace. Yeah, if you taking a nap, you ain't no more. Should have took this under a tunnel. That is insane. Sorry I'm quiet, y'all. I'm just enjoying the symphony. But let me know in the comments what y'all think about this. Would y'all rock this tune? Because I can tell y'all right now, as soon as I'm done with the video, I'm flashing it right back to what I had it at. It's a little too obnoxious for me. Not gonna lie. I damn near wanted to go back to my OEM Burbles. That thing fast, boy. Nothing aggravates me more than when I get stuck behind somebody while doing these POV videos. Cause I know y'all don't want to just see me drive boring the whole time. What are they doing? Yeah, I should not have made it burble at 2,000 RPM. That shit does it. Look, I just barely tap the gas and it does it. That's annoying as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, that is so annoying. And we obviously gonna go the opposite way they going and get in front of that truck that's coming. And we gonna get on that little first gear pool. Yeehaw! Jesus. been loving this weather lately, man. I don't know about y'all, but whenever it be cloudy outside, that shit be fucking with my mood. Oh, that road looked a little promising. Say that shit is annoying. Like, it's cool for the video, but I could never do this as no daily tune. F that. F that. Yo, we are in the country. Don't even know where I'm at. That just shifted so funny. Cooking my spark plugs. Y'all heard that last little burble? It sounded loud as fuck. At least it ain't like them one burble tunes where it literally sound like a gunshot. Yeah, those, no bueno. I'm so sorry to all these good white people. Probably don't even like me. I know they hate me now though. That's crazy. Wherever the hell I'm at right now, this is a good place to settle down, go get some land. I don't know if y'all been paying attention to some of the houses, but if y'all haven't heard me say it before though, that's the goal, man. Give me a house that's out the way with hella land so I can do whatever the freak I want. I'm swerving, I'm swerving, I'm swerving. Whoa! I think I'm coming back the way I came. Carter up there. I ain't gonna scare him. What the freak, guys? Definitely just dug in my nose. What if I wasn't recording the whole time? Why is it laggy? I really pray the video is not laggy. Oh God. Please don't be laggy. Y'all, in my videos, does it be looking tilted sometimes? Cause I be thinking that. Bro, it just popped. I wasn't even going nowhere. But yeah, I be watching my videos sometimes. I don't know if it's just me, cause my video. Oh shit. About time for some new tires. Yeah. Don't know where I'm at. Let's go right. And I think that's back to where we came. Well, shouldn't have went right. Let's be getting lost. I know they mad. Yeah, everybody wake up. But we're gonna get one last pull, as I do about every one of my videos. One last pull, ready, say, go. Alright, that's it. If y'all like videos like this, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so y'all will never miss an upload. I'm uploading like 2 or 3 times a week, man, so y'all stay tuned. I got bangers on the way, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.